What's the meaning of crossword puzzle? Crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzle.
Crossword puzzle. Crossword puzzle. A crossword puzzle is a word game that typically takes the form of a square or rectangular grid of blank white squares. The goal of the game is to fill the white squares with letters, forming words or phrases, by solving clues which lead to the answers. The game is often featured in newspapers or puzzle books and has become a popular pastime worldwide. It requires both knowledge of vocabulary and strong problem-solving skills to complete successfully. Crossword puzzles are a fun and challenging way to exercise the mind and pass the time.